Everybody makes chicken and mushrooms the same way, but today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy chicken and mushrooms. It's not chicken marsala, it's just creamy chicken and mushrooms. I came up with this method of making it. It's completely different than anything you're going to see on the internet. It's a very unique chicken and mushroom recipe. It's great for a weeknight dinner. It's quick, and I think you guys are going to love it. And what's beautiful about it is it's a streamlined process. There's no cooking mushrooms, cooking chicken separately, taking things out, putting things back in. It's one pan. It's an easy dinner, so let's put it together. So before we start putting this together, let's go through ingredients. We have some pantry staples: salt, pepper, olive oil, some white wine. I have two types of mushrooms, shiitake and regular. I have them sliced. Shallots, butter, parsley, flour, and lastly, we have chicken. I have whole chicken breasts, and I recommend picking up whole chicken breasts and filleting them yourself, because a lot of times when you buy the chicken cutlets, they're a little thick. They're usually thick. And I want these really thin, so we're gonna fillet these. So we'll start off by filleting the chicken. And this knife really comes in handy. It's a fillet knife. You just wanna put your hand on, if this is your first time filleting chicken, you might wanna go watch a video on how to fillet chicken, but I'll do my best here showing you how. So you're gonna put your hand on top, and then you're gonna go in with a fillet knife, and you could feel the chicken, you could feel the knife kind of going through there, and you can see how thick or thin you're making it. The first one usually doesn't look that great, but the second one looks better. So we'll flatten that out. And you could really gauge how thick or thin you cut the chicken. And this is great with cooking chicken dishes like this. You can get them nice and thin, and they cook quick. So we'll just continue here and keep going. Just like that. And as you can see, really with the packages of chicken cutlets, you can't really get them this thin. So filleting it yourself is great. This looks pretty good. Check it out. And then there's always one that's like not the greatest looking piece. So we're just gonna cut this in half, and we'll just have two pieces. And once you have all the chicken filleted, you're gonna sprinkle it with some flour. Just want to give the chicken a nice light coating. This will help thicken up the sauce in the pan. So we're just going to toss these in flour. And that's really all the prep for the chicken. I want to have this done because once we start cooking the mushrooms and everything else, it kind of comes together fast. So getting this out of the way, having this ready to go, is definitely the way to go. So this looks good. Let me go clean my hands and we'll start cooking the mushrooms. So the first thing we're gonna do is heat up a generous amount of olive oil, and we'll add in some shallots. We'll cook these for a few minutes, and then we'll add in the mushrooms. We'll mix this up, we'll allow everybody to become friends, and we'll let these mushrooms cook for a few minutes. Once these mushrooms start to soften up and pick up a little color, we'll add in some white wine. Now we're just gonna let the alcohol evaporate, and then we'll add in the chicken. And this is really what makes this recipe kind of special, because this is the point where most people would take the mushrooms out, put them aside, cook the chicken, then bring everybody back together. But we're just gonna go right in with the chicken. So it's quicker, the chicken comes out more tender, more flavorful, and personally I think it's better. So I'll let you guys be the judge. You definitely gotta try this recipe, but it's definitely something special. So the alcohol is fully evaporated. Now we're gonna add in a knob of butter. It's about 2 tablespoons of butter. We'll just mix this up, allow the butter to melt, and then we'll nestle in the chicken. There's really no right or wrong way of doing this. You just kind of have to get the chicken in there, nestle it in between the mushrooms. And as you can see, these look pretty good. We'll flip them. And we're just gonna cook the chicken for about a minute on each side just to get a little bit of color, but we're really not going for color here. And we'll give this side another minute. In the meantime, we'll season everything up with a little salt and pepper. All right, so the last step of this, we're gonna add in some more white wine, and we're gonna let this cook on low for about 5-10 minutes. And this really helps make that tender chicken, so we let it cook on low. This allows the chicken to come to temperature the wine actually tenderizes the chicken. So we're gonna cover this, put the heat on low, and we'll cook it for about 5-10 minutes. So it's been about 10 minutes. Let's check it out. It's pretty much ready here. You could see a lot of the liquid is gone in here. It's starting to, the chicken is actually starting to stick. So it looks pretty good. And you could see the mushrooms are really tender. You could see they're like melt in your mouth mushrooms. And before we get this on a plate, we're gonna finish it off with some parsley. This is really like the finishing touch. And it really, you could see aesthetically, it just looks so much better once the parsley goes in. Look at that. So we'll get this on a plate, and then I'll leave it up to you guys to figure out what you're gonna pair this chicken with, but it's very easy. It's such an easy dinner, and you can see the chicken is so tender, and the mushrooms are like fall apart, melt in your mouth. I mean, that's really the creamy part of this creamy chicken. It's the mushrooms, and it's just so good. And I think really the test with chicken to see if it's tender is if you can cut into it with just a fork. You shouldn't need a knife. So we're gonna cut into this chicken, and I'll show you. You can see the fork just goes right in, minimal pressure here, and it's falling apart. So this is really what you want. This is what you're shooting for. Really tender chicken, and I don't think it gets any better than this. Wow. You definitely have to make this one. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. And it's funny how I got to making it this way, because most of the chicken and mushrooms, chicken marsala recipes, they cook the mushrooms first, take them out, cook the chicken, bring everybody together. And then I don't know if it's just like my laziness, because I'm always trying to find like a quick way of doing something, but I made it this way, and it was like, there's no comparison, you know, because it's tender, it's creamy. I mean, there's no cream, but there's a creamy texture, and it's just really good. It's something different. You definitely have to try it. If you like it, I also have a lemon pork chops linked right here. Those are really good, so if you like pork, that's good. Chicken, definitely gotta try it. And if we usually serve this up with rice or just a side of bread, I'm telling you, you guys are gonna love it. So let me know how you like it in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell, like, and subscribe.